Welcome to today's episode, where we are diving into fascinating world of automotive innovation in India. Buckle up because we are about to take over on a journey through the country's ambitious plans to revolutionize its transportation sector. Picture this, you are cruising down highway in a cutting-edge flex fuel hybrid EV. You are seamlessly switching between electrical power and ethanol fuel, all while reducing your carbon footprint. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, thanks to India's Transport Minister Nitin Gadkari, this futuristic scenario is closer to the reality than you might think. But here is where it gets interesting. From a business perspective, India isn't just focusing on one solution. They're exploring a whole buffet of options: EV, ethanol blends, hydrogen, biogas, and now flex fuel hybrid EVs. It's like they are hedging their bets in high stake games of sustainable transportation. Now you might be wondering, why not just go all in on EVs? Well, here is a kicker. EVs aren't as green as they seem. The production of their massive batteries, it's a dirty business, folks. And let's not forget, 80% of India's electricity still comes from coal. Talk about PR nightmare waiting to happen. So what's a developing nation can do? Enter flex fuel EVs. India's taking a page out of Brazil's playbook here. Our South American friends have been blending ethanol into their fuels since disco era, and now 90% of their light duty vehicles are flex fuel ready. That's what I call a success story. But here is where it gets tricky. India needs whooping 10 billion liters of ethanol annually to hit their 20% of blending target by 2025. They are halfway there. It's like they are trying to fill an Olympic-sized pool with garden hose. It's going to take some time. This is where hybrid model swoops in like a superhero. It's the best of both worlds, cleaner than pure EV and more practical in short term. And when you throw flex fuel into the mix, you got yourself a potential game changer. But let's not pop champagne just yet. There are some serious hurdles to overcome. For starters, these vehicles aren't just going to be cheap. Ethanol is corrosive, which means higher maintenance cost. And let's not forget about potential impact on food security. We might be looking at a classic case of robbing Peter to pay Paul if we are not careful. So what's the bottom line for businesses eyeing this emerging market? There is a potential here, no doubt, but it's a complex landscape with technical, economic, and ethical consideration. The winners in the race will be those who navigate these challenges while delivering innovative and affordable solutions. As we wrap up, remember this: India's automotive future isn't just about cars. It's about energy security, environmental sustainability, and economic growth all rolled up into one. It's a high stake game, and moves made in the next few years could reshape the entire industry. That's all for today's episode. Stay tuned for more insights into cutting edge of business and technology. In the world of innovation, sometimes the road less traveled is the one that leads to biggest breakthroughs. See you tomorrow. Thank you very much for watching this video till then.